In this video, I'll show you how to remove your bank account from PrizePicks. Here are the exact steps to follow. Now, as you can see, I'm referring to an official PrizePicks article, and I'll make sure to leave a link to this article in the description for you. If you want to remove your bank account, here's exactly how to remove or replace a payment method associated with your PrizePicks account. You can remove a payment method after 60 days have passed since your first deposit using that payment method. Just log into your account and tap the deposit button in the top right corner. Once you are on the deposits page, you should see a trash can icon. Click the icon to remove a payment method. If the trash can icon isn't there, it means you still need to wait for your 60-day waiting period to end. Keep in mind that you may only request to remove a payment method once in any calendar month and no more than 5 times across any 12-month span. This does not reset on January 1st, it counts over a rolling 12-month period. Therefore, be cautious when adding and removing payment methods, because you're not free to add and remove them as often as you like. So, please be careful which payment methods you add. These are the steps on how to remove your bank account from PrizePicks. If this video was helpful, make sure to like the video, and thank you for watching.